Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to open a Truist bank account quickly on your phone? Here's the full step by step. First of all, download the Truist mobile app from the App Store. Go to your App Store, search for the Truist Bank, and then download it from there. Once you're done downloading, go ahead and open the app, then tap sign up. Now, choose the type of account you want. Enter your full name, date of birth, and address and social security number. Then create a strong username and password. Verify your phone number using the SMS code sent to you. Go to open your SMS, wait for the code to come. After you've received your code, go ahead and enter it in the app, and then finally accept the terms and tap create account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.